Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make some pens like this guy and this guy. Just any pens like that in general. So first I have a cup of beads. I have a cup full of little gems and stuff like that. And I have a cup full of pens. So you're going to start off with a pen like this. There's nothing on the pen. It's just a normal, plain twist pen. There's absolutely nothing on them except for this little metal. You're going to screw the top or the bottom off. So the top came off, as you can see, and there's now nothing blocking me from putting anything on here. So I'm going to start with some beads. I want you to count with me how many beads we're going to use. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now if you're wondering, 4 beads cannot fit because now you can't screw the top part back in. So you have to use 3 beads. Now that you have your 3 beads, right now we've got a cute little snowman. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna find some other stuff to put on top to fill it up. So, we've got some gems here. Why don't we put a gem? See that? Sparkly gem, and it's red, like the pen is. So I'm gonna put that on top. It almost looks like a hat on the snowman. And then, see, we've got some more gems in here that we could put on. See if we can get some more. Got just a plain silver is a white sparkly bead that we're gonna put on top as well. Next, we're going to take our little top piece and we're going to put the pen together. Once it's on completely, it is now just a little cute twist-up pen. I'll show you how to make one more. I'm not sure if I have, I want to find a part that I'm not sure if I can find or not. So let me look in here. I'm not sure if I have the part that allows you to hang stuff. Like, see how you have to have these little attachment parts. See how it has this little hook, and then you can, it has a little hook that you put in. It's just like a metal loop. You put it on top of the pen, and then it has this little attachment piece right here that you can open and close like you would open and close like a bracelet, and you can add different gems inside, but I'm not sure if I have any of those in this bucket right here, so I'm just gonna make another plain pen. So this is how this pen looks. This pen's sparkly, look. It's got some sparkles on it. It's just another plain pen. See if I can twist it off. Oh, I did. I twisted it off from the bottom this time. So now everything you do is going to be upside down. So you're going to want to start with what you would put on the top. So put some sparkly gems, because that's going to be the top of our pen. Then we're going to put a head of some sort. Let's do a cute little Santa Claus. So we put Santa Claus, and if you look, we put Santa Claus on upside down because when we flip it over, it'll be the right side for the pen. And then, going to find Santa's little outfit. It's got a beard and a belt, and we're gonna put that on upside down because we want it to all look. So see how if it's upside down like this, when you flip it over to put it on the pen, it'll look like this, and that's what we want. And then we're gonna put some cute little polka dots right here. So this is what our pen looks like, and we're gonna take the bottom And we're going to, also you can you see the little ridges right there? So when we take this, we're screwing it back on to the ridges. We're putting it all together. So let me see if I can. Now the pen is complete. And that's how you make cute little snowmen, and Santa Claus pens.